Imagine being born with a paralyzing phobia of something you have never seen, never touched, and never experienced. For decades, biology taught us that we only inherit physical traits, while memories die with the mind that created them. But a groundbreaking genetic discovery has proven that severe trauma leaves a physical, inheritable scar on your DNA. Scientists placed mice in an enclosure and pumped in the sweet, distinct scent of cherry blossoms. Every time the smell filled the air, the mice received a sudden, mild electrical shock. Very quickly, the mice learned to associate the smell of cherry blossoms with pure terror. But when these mice eventually had babies in a completely safe environment, something impossible happened. The very first time these newborn mice smelled cherry blossoms, they panicked, showing the exact same physical signs of sheer terror as their parents. The experiment continued, and even the grandchildren were born terrified of that exact same scent, despite never being shocked themselves. The fear had not been learned. It had been biologically downloaded through a phenomenon called epigenetics. When a severe trauma occurs, it acts like a chemical bookmark, turning certain survival genes on or off without changing the underlying DNA code. The trauma chemically altered the parent's genetic instruction manual, and that modified manual was passed down to keep the next generation hyper-aware of the danger. This means that extreme starvation, constant fear, or surviving a catastrophic event physically rewires the biological baseline of a survivor's descendants. You are not just a blank slate shaped by your own life experiences. You are the physical culmination of what your ancestors survived. The next time you feel a completely irrational fear, ask yourself where it really came from, because you might be remembering something you never actually lived.